Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Jaguar X-Type headlights. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off and cool. This guide focuses on accessing the headlight components for tasks like bulb replacement, using a straightforward approach. You won't need to remove the entire bumper, making this a much simpler process for most owners. Before you begin, gather a few essential tools. A flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and possibly a small Torx bit will be helpful. Pop your hood and identify the headlight unit you need to access. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before working on electrical components. This prevents accidental shorts or power surges. Now, let's get to the headlight. You might need to remove a circular plastic cover or a rubber grommet to expose the bulb area. Some models have metal clips that you gently push aside to release the bulb holder. On the battery side, you may need to temporarily move the battery for better access. Once clips are released, carefully pull the bulb or its housing straight out. To reassemble, carefully insert the new bulb or component, ensuring you don't touch the glass with bare hands. Secure all retaining clips and replace any covers or trim you removed. Reconnect your car's battery, then test your headlights to confirm they are working correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss. Always double-check all connections for a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.